take to be successful in today's super competitive manufacturing environment? You must have the best CNC manufacturing equipment. It's just not possible to do it the way it's always been done. Successful companies are making investments, protecting their businesses and their market shares. The most competitive way to use a CNC machine today is using it in a CNC manufacturing cell. The goal is to process the customer's order complete. Once a cell begins working on a customer's order, it doesn't stop till that order is completed. When the job's done right, the customer gets the highest quality product in the shortest possible lead time. And CNC efficiency means the price is right as well. An order begun this morning ships this afternoon. There's no work in process inventory, nor is there any finished products inventory. The raw materials are handled on a just-in-time basis. The economic order quantity is 1. Advanced Graphic Systems VHS software is the ignition key that starts the cell's engine and unlocks its potential to make you money. You need a powerful CAD program to design and engineer the product, tied to a powerful CAM program to write the code that drives the CNC cell. Just recently, the level of competition has stepped up a notch. Now, to compete on today's global playing field, manufacturers must offer custom products, or at the very least, custom versions of their standard products. CRS and Advanced Graphic Systems have joined forces to give you what you need to offer customized products in a CNC cell environment, and at the same time automate and clarify the entire information flow throughout your business. Let's take a look at a specific example. CRS manufactures a fixture product we call a control mate. It's a positive pressure fan-filtered unit that allows factory personnel to have a standard personal computer out on the production floor. The unit accepts a CRT screen, a computer CPU, and has a pull-out tray for the keyboard and a storage area below. But nothing happens in manufacturing till somebody sells the product. Here's a CRS salesman trying to get a control mate order from a customer. Unfortunately, CRS's standard double-wide unit is not acceptable. But our salesman is connected to the VHS engineering software at the main plant using a 386 notebook computer hooked to a phone line. Here you can see that a database is a tool that lets him record all the information he needs about the customer. To make a change from a double to a single unit, all he has to do is make the notation on the database screen. The VHS CAD system can now go into the database and automatically change the control mate from a double-wide to a single-wide unit. At the same time, VHS automatically changes the bill of materials and reprices the new custom unit. The updated drawing is printed out at the main plant and faxed to the salesman at the customer's office. But how many times has this happened? Chuck has now come in from the factory to tell Tom there's a specific spot where a 24-inch wide control mate unit would best fit. Can you make this unit wider? Can you make a special size for us? The answer, no problem. The CRS salesman goes back into the database software and simply changes the field that describes the width of the unit. Again, VHS generates a new drawing showing the custom size cabinet and a new custom bill of material that denotes the materials cost for the 24-inch unit. But most importantly, we get a finished quotation by fax to the salesman. Now everyone is happy. The drawing for the custom unit can be approved and the order can be signed. But back at the main office, look what else VHS has done for us. The custom drawing in the VHS CAD file has been transferred to the SmartCam software we use to program our Shota CNC machining center. The individual custom-sized parts are nested efficiently on full 4x8 foot standard sheets, and the entire kit program is written in minutes. Because we already have the proper bill of materials, we can order the necessary sheets of gray melamine and the plexiglass, which will arrive the next morning just in time. VHS also generated a manufacturing work order that shows the men in the cell how to start working on this customer's order. To begin work, they only need to know what materials must be brought to the machine. Here they load the first sheet of gray material and work begins. Now, as we discussed before, all the parts that make up this custom-sized unit for our client are cut to size, and all manufacturing attributes necessary are done by our 10-headed, 2-table Shoda machine. All work is referenced from a single point, so the accuracy of the entire kit is plus or minus 5/1000ths of an inch. The fit and finish of the unit could not be better. The labor time could not be lower. There's no handling of the materials from machine to machine. No other machine setups are required. This CNC cell can make any one of hundreds of products in this category, with no tool change and without changing fixtures. Every time we begin work on a customer's order, we finish it. Our unit of work is the order itself and not just the parts or certain units required to complete the order. Shoda has over 400 standard models and hundreds of specialized heads to match your requirements. At the same time the machine is making all the parts, our men in the assembly part of the cell are putting the unit together. This creates a balance in the factory. We are taking approximately $200 worth of materials and adding $600 worth of value to them in 10 minutes. It's now the second day after the order was taken. By tomorrow morning, the truck will pick this unit up and get it on the road. Back to the beginning. At the same time Visionel created all the other reports and paperwork, Visionel also created an invoice so we can bill the customer and the bill of lading for our shipping department. Here we are on Friday, the 5th day from our date the salesman worked with Tom and Chuck. The product is here. It's off the truck and on a dolly. It's taken out of the box. And look, it just fits into the 24-inch space Chuck was worried about on Monday. Talking again about the information side of the equation, what have we seen Visionel do for us? Well, we saw a salesman getting the order for a custom product on the first sales call. He had an accurate quotation in 10 minutes by fax. We've seen our company use Visionel as a sales tool to allow a non-technical salesperson to redesign and modify a product in front of a customer in 10 minutes by answering some simple questions on his notebook computer screen. Specifically, Visionel changed the drawing, changed the bill of materials, generated a 100% accurate quote that came by fax in 10 minutes, created the manufacturing work order, generated an invoice. Visionel also created a bill of lading for our shipping department. Most importantly, our salesperson got the order. Imagine competing with a company that does business this way. Visionel engineering software has been shown to save 75 to 98% of the cost of designing and documenting custom products. It allows the sales force to get the business or know beyond a shadow of a doubt that they didn't want the business. But something more important happened. We automated the information contained in this client's custom order all the way from the design and engineering departments to the loading dock. In summary, you could be shipping the highest quality custom products to your customers in 5 days, signed order to delivery. Could there be a more efficient way to provide value, capture profitable work, and expand your business? CRS and Advanced Graphic Systems have the engineering and manufacturing software, the state-of-the-art Shoda machinery, and skilled personnel to make this a reality for your company.